Hey, Elevated crew. Today, we will be shooting the first of our cryptocurrency shorts. We will start with a Metamask tutorial on how to download the Metamask app on your iPhone. Enjoy. In this portion of the video, we will walk through how to set up a Metamask wallet on your iPhone or mobile device. Step 1 is to go to your App Store and search for the Metamask app. As you can see here, I already have mine downloaded. So once yours is downloaded to your home screen, go ahead and open it up. Your Metamask wallet will be used to send tokens, Ethereum, and NFTs, like our Pope for Season 1 and future products that we will offer. Go ahead and click Get Started, and then create a new wallet. First, they will ask you to set up a password for your wallet, and please note that this is separate from your seed recovery phrase, which we will go over in a bit. Here they have a little video just going over your secret recovery phrase, as this is how you get back into your Ether wallet if you were to be locked out. I have mine personally wrote down on a piece of paper in my safe and in a locked note in my Apple Notes on my iPhone and Mac. From here, you'll hit View and jot down your secret recovery phrase that Metamask gives you for your wallet. Next, you will be asked to confirm your secret recovery phrase by putting it in the order in which it was given. Lastly, Metamask will congratulate you for successfully protecting your wallet. From there, it'll take you to the home screen. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please give us a follow, subscribe, or tip on our socials at ElevatedXR. Thanks, and see you next time.